How to fix to record let YouTube access microphone and camera error problem. It's pretty simple to fix this issue. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and head over to apps. Once you are in this page, in the search bar, you need to search for YouTube and then move into it. Tons of different options of YouTube's will be visible to you. You have to make sure that the microphone and camera option is toggled on. Sometimes this option might be turned off and it might cause you some issue on YouTube. So make sure to enable these options. Once done, you also have to make sure that your application is up to date. If not, head over to App Store and update to the latest version. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue, so you might also be good to go. That's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.